I think let us move on to the next presentation, and that is by Dr. Bansal. So Nishat is there as a vitreoretina consultant in Bansal Eye and Retina Center in Chandigarh. So Nishat, over to you for your presentation, please. Nishat. And Sunil ji, at the end of 7 minutes, please give the cue. Yes, Nishat.
Are my slides visible, sir?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Thank you, sir, for making me part of this ET Selvam project. So what was special about my poster? Let me start with this slide, as I got a message from sir that I have to put a slide on this also. What's special about my poster? My poster was on PCV, that is peripheral polypoidal choroidal vasculopathy. So as we know, PCV is not so common. During my PG, I have not seen a single case of PCV because in my institute, ICG was not available. So when I went to Shankar Nethralaya for my fellowship and ICG was available, I started seeing a lot of cases of PCV there. And that made a lot of, I created interest in me to study more about PCV. And so much literature was also coming in 2013, 14, 15 about PCV. As PCV itself is not so common, and peripheral PCV is still not that common in PCV. So doing this project was very special for me, and it was a very challenging task, and that created a lot of interest for me to do this work. And slowly we had at Shankar Nethralaya, we had a lot of cases of peripheral PCV, which were given to me to study upon that. And as I have already said, there's a lack of ICG, and this is a new entity which we are studying about peripheral PCV. So this was my presentation, my poster presentation. So what is PCV? It was first described by Dr. Yenusi.
Nishant, I don't want you to present the poster.
Okay.
No, we don't want to listen to PCV. Okay, you go ahead and discuss what is the purpose of this meeting. I don't want to read all that. Give us the salient things, important things.
Okay, ma'am. Then I'll just go to the last discussion. That's okay, ma'am?
Yeah, I mean, just tell us about.
If you have a poster, then if you show that poster, the people will understand that.
Yes, I put, after I got a message from Partha sir, I put that poster image also.
Yeah, put that poster.
Yes. And then discuss.
Yes.
Now it is.
Yeah.
Now
Yes.
you tell.
So this was my poster which I had prepared. Actually, I had wanted to send as a paper, as everybody was discussing, but somehow it didn't get accepted as a paper. I was very sad in that, but I was motivated. No problem, it is accepted as a poster. I should put in my full heart to prepare it nicely. So I did that. And firstly, the most important thing is content, whether it's a paper, whether it's a poster, or whether it's a challenging case. The content is very important. It has to be nice. And while we are preparing this, as Vasak sir has already told, the poster should look good. There should not be any overcrowding of any text or images in that. And try to use simple fonts, means 2 cursive fonts, I think may not attract many people. And we have to select colors very nicely. I think light background should be there with, because images are dark in color, so light background goes well with it. And the quality of images should also be good, because the poster is big in size. As we increase the size, the images break up. So if we have a good quality, a good pixel images, they maintain their quality when the size is increased. And this was about my physical poster. And some take-home message for this award. Like any form of presentation should be done in the conference, whether it's an e-poster, any physical poster, challenging case, or a challenging video. As Ekta ma'am highlighted, nothing is small or big. All are equal. Participation is important. And documentation is very important. Any nice case or challenging case or rare case is seen in the OPD, bookmark it. I have seen JB sir and Dr. Jyoti Viswas, he keeps writing the challenging case he sees in the register, and slowly, if he adds more cases, it becomes case series, and then it becomes a paper. So bookmarking, it is very important, because later on we may not remember what case we had seen. And photographs is very important. We may not have all the luxury tools, but we all have a smartphone nowadays. So any interesting case, images can be easily captured with 20D lens by putting a smartphone, or do-it-yourself attachments can be done.
Good.
And this project was given to me by MPB ma'am, Dr. Munna Bende. I would like to thank ma'am for giving me such an opportunity to present such a rare and nice case series about peripheral PCV. And also all my other consultants from Shankar Nethralaya who helped me with this project. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Nishat. And over to you, Dr. Subhadra Jalali ma'am and Sonu for the discussion, please.
So Nishat, how many times you had to revise this poster? So you made the poster yourself, or there was some communication department, or do you have a graphics department who makes
We have a graphics department. Multimedia department was available with the Shankar Nethralaya. So many times we had to discuss with them. We had to change the color format. They had discussed with us that this is not looking good. You have to put a light background. It will look good. So around 3 to 4 times the whole process had to go on, and then finally it came out.
Yeah, so that is one thing I wanted to highlight, because today we had a meeting in our institute. So somebody said I made 28 iterations. 28 times I changed before I, sent it. So that is one thing, the hard work to sit and read it again and again and live with it and say, like, just like you decorate your house or you decorate your car, your poster or your paper, whatever, you need to live with that, and you need to think, how can it make more beautiful? Should I change the image from here to there? Because you have a lot of time between your acceptance by the AIOS or any other, and you have 3-4 months, to do that. So live with that poster and keep on improving. So what I think is that, and then you can seek professional help, okay, like in my institute, I know Dr. Das is very good at making titles and making the title. So I always send him the title. So this is the title of my paper. I don't send him the paper always. He put so many things there. But I say, like, so iska title dekh lo, theek hai ki nahi hai. So same way, some of the images, there may be somebody, your colleague or somebody who's good with the image. So, can you look at this image and see how I can highlight it further, how I can enhance it further. So all of us can take that help, and people are willing to give that help, and we should do that hard work, that I'm going to make multiple iterations, and then the meticulousness. So did you have to correct the spelling? Did you have to correct the grammar? Did you have to correct the full stop, the comma, the spacing? So did you have to do that?
Yes, ma'am. All the references in a proper manner, all those had to be done. And very meticulously it was done. My mentor, Dr. Munna Bende, she was very particular about all the things. And she told me that nothing should be wrong. And we had to first present, I think, before going for the conference, all physical posters and the presentations are prepared and at the Shankar Nethralaya auditorium. And then only we are allowed to present in the conferences.
Yeah, so that is true in our hospital also. We cannot go to a conference till we have shown that it was presented. And in fact, we also have the rule that, we have to write the paper before we go to the conference. But, people ask, those who are not in institutes, that is very important, I think, message to convey, that it's not about the institutes. It's about your interest. And as somebody said, how can you be a good clinician if you only follow the book? Somebody told me, I love that teacher because, madam, you confuse us. You put so many new things which is not in the book. I love the other teacher because she just teaches me what is in the book. So I think if we just follow the book, then we'll be 40 years behind. So I think we have to think that I'm a good clinician, and as Ekta's presentation or your presentation, that there's something new happening, and it is for the care of the patient. Ultimately, we want to deliver good clinical care. And as, Dr. Basak also told, that it's not about dedicated time. If you have dedicated time, yes, you need to be monitored and somebody needs to check, because at least in our institute we get days, but everybody is not equally productive. There are people who just use that day and don't produce anything. So that is a downside. But yeah, whether you have the day allotted or you don't have the day allotted, it's about you saying that I want to be the best clinician in the world. And if I am the best clinician for my patient, then I will flag out the cases which were interesting or which I didn't understand, and I will try to pursue it. And next time I see the same patient, I will, study that further. And that is how the knowledge you create. And you also start teaching others. Now, other thing I wanted to know, that in your poster, did you think that, because sometimes we have a lot of material, and we want to put everything there. So, Dr. I think Basak again told that, or others also telling that there should be one message which you convey. So did you think about that, I have so many images, you had so many images, so many patients, but what is it I want to tell the audience, or what it is I want to tell the judges that, this is what is my idea and this is what I'm trying to deliver to the public, because there may be a lot of information. How did you select what message I want to give?
Like ma'am, it was a peripheral PCV cases. Like this was a really new entity. So I wanted to tell the audience and my friends around that what it is peripheral, how to prevent misdiagnosis, like many cases which were coming to us were misdiagnosis. So how to prevent misdiagnosis, and what is the patient profile presenting with PCV, peripheral PCV, and how to manage such cases. So that's the 3-4 points which I wanted to highlight, because there were so many things. If I go into treatment for PCV, it's huge. So, but I wanted to just put in few points, like if a patient comes he should this age, this whether it's a male, female, and this hemorrhage at the posterior pole or the periphery, we should also think about this peripheral.
Yeah. So I think that is again very important in your poster. You may have all the information because you've done a thesis on that for whole 1 year or 2 years or last 10 years, but you don't want to put all that either in your paper presentation or in your poster. You want to convey 1 or 2 or 3 new salient points. So I hand over to Sonu. Sonu, your comments, discussion.
I think that has been a wonderful take-home message for the audience. And Nishat, congratulations once again. So I think I would just like to highlight, before going in for the final day, I think multiple presentations, be it a poster or a paper, within the faculty that we have, or if we are a single practitioner, you can, approach the practitioners within the city, and you can present the paper or the poster so that they can, with their experience, bring out those salient features which help you to excel in your final presentations. So, and I think at the end of the day, Nishat, you would have been a very happy man to present it as a poster, because this had multiple visuals of the fundus images, and see how beautifully it came out to be as a poster. Had it been a paper, I think you would have really missed within those 7 minutes. Since people are here, they could read multiple times, see those images. I think that is a very important point, what Amit was trying to bring out, difference between a poster and a paper. So I think a very well brought up poster here in this case. Congratulations.
I think with the Zoom experience now, people can present that to any mentor across the country or even internationally. So you don't have to, you're not restricted to your city now.
So I think COVID has been a great tool for all these young.
You can present it well in the night to your friends in UK and say, just look at my poster and see whether I'm on the right track.
So
thank you very much.